best sights of Mount Marcy. We're gonna tag that thing tomorrow. Giddy up. All right, made it to the trailhead for Mount Marcy, the Adirondack Mountain Club. Went there, just checked it out. Gonna hike in a couple miles, set up camp at the dam site, SP early tomorrow. Okay, folks, we're moving. Mount Marcy trailhead, a little 2-mile walk. $78. So far, so good.
To the summit.
This is a pretty cool little feature. QR code to check in. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. All right, here's the old school check-in, register here. We'll sign in, make sure people know when we're going to be back. Going up. All right, so we made it to the dam site that washed out in 2011, and do a little quick view. So I'm going to suggest that point there is Mount Marcy. So we still have a ways to go, but we're gonna find a place to set up a tent and get after it. When you come to a fork in the road, you pick it up. About 7:15. Set up our tents. There's our bear cans, H's style of tent, and a bonus. Just finished filtering a couple liters of water, drank a bunch. Great water source. Getting ready to go up tomorrow. 4:56 in the morning. Woke up at 4:20. No reason for that time. Leaving camp. According to All Trails, we've got 5 miles to get to the top. And then back down, break out the campsite, and very grateful for that privy this morning. Time to start. Half an hour into the hike. Sun's starting to come up. This is the trail. It'd be hard to get off because the woods are so thick. Coming up on a trail. Looks like they're prepping to do some heavy maintenance, some repair. H, what would Alec Guinness say? Who? Alec Guinness. Bridge on the River Kwai. Lots of rocks on this section. I think there'll be plenty of rocks Trail for skiing only. That's not us. Mount Marcy to the summit. What do you got to say, H?
I think you know.
To the summit. So nice to see these types of signs along the trail. Refreshing. Unusually flat and generally rock-free section. Been going up quite a few rocks. Not going too fast. About 1.25 miles an hour. Seems like we're going faster though. Working hard. There's H in the front. And yes, there is Hammer in H. Giddy up. Once again, the camera doesn't do it justice, but that's straight up the gut.
Marcy Blast, baby. Marcy Blast.
It's a treadway. I had a boss in Bosnia that wanted me to build a treadway. I used fly ash, geosynthetics, and gap graded aggregate. .2 miles to go, 800 feet up. 7:35 in the morning. Been hiking for a little over 2.5 hours and finally get to the first view of the day. About a mile to go, 600 feet up. And it's got its own weather to the summit. All you got to do is be prepared. Entering the Alpine Zone. The summit of Mount Marcy is not coming easy. Last couple hundred feet, straight up. Made it to the summit of Mount Marcy. Took a little bit more than I thought it would take to get to the summit. But as old man would say, all good. Anything to say, H?
It's a great climb. Brings back to New England. Like the rocks, like the ledges.
All right. As H would say, getting to the top is optional. Getting down is
Mandatory.
giddy up. Time to go down. So in some ways going up is easier, requires more energy, but going down, that's when you can have some challenges. So I'm not looking at the phone, but I'm gonna put it away anyways. Still going down. Gotta navigate the rocks.
Left leg. Red.
Still going down. Doing some quick math. I think we are taking more time to go down from the summit to get than it took us to get to the summit. So far, so good. All right, we cleared the campsite. It's 20 after 12. Yeah, we were thinking we'd be at the car by 12, but anyways, we'll get there. H checking us back in, letting everybody know we're back okay. Finishing up our journey to summit Mount Marcy. A little over 9 hours of hiking. Did the last mile in 20 minutes. Trail's got a lot to do with that. Number 40 for me, 42 for H. Giddy up.